Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see, I'm going to be showing you how to make the ultimate smash burger recipe. Let's jump right into it. If you love burgers, this is a video you want to watch. These burgers were amazing. Let's jump right into this video. So today I am going to be using my Blackstone griddle to prepare the smash burgers. Everything I have placed out: my chopped onions, my cheese, my buns, and then the seasonings that I'm going to be using as well. There's some fries shown here, but I'm not going to make the fries on the griddle, so I mean, we all know how to make fries. Okay, so I'm starting with a super hot griddle, and I've added some oil on my griddle, and then I'm just taking and placing my diced onions where I'm going to be laying out my beef patties, and then I'm going to proceed to smash them. Now I'm coming in with some burger seasoning. I'm just going to season up my patties. So now I'm coming in with my burger press, and I'm just going to smash all of the burgers. This is the fun part. I'm just going to take it and continue to go down the line and smash each patty. Now my patties were a little big. I could have rolled them a little smaller than I did. So just a suggestion, you don't have to do as much meat, because when you go to smash, you do want them to be super kind of flat. And mine were kind of meaty. But you can do it this way, and you can have, you know, bigger smash burgers as well. So now I'm just coming in and flipping my patties to the other side so that I can make sure that the other side is cooked. And I'm just going to let that cook for a little bit. Now I'm just adding my burgers. They've already been buttered, but I'm adding them to the griddle, and I have this side of the griddle on low, so it's not as high as the side where the burgers are, so that they can kind of get toasty a little bit, toasty and warm and buttery. That's how I like to do mine. This isn't a must, but it just adds fun and flavor to the burgers. So I do suggest it, but you don't have to. This is just me coming in with some extra salt and pepper so that I can make sure that the other side of the burger is seasoned as well. So I'm just adding some salt and pepper. We added the burger seasoning earlier. And now I'm going to add my cheese. You can use whatever cheese you like. I'm using a mild cheddar cheese. I do think the American cheese that melts a little bit better, but provolone would have actually been delicious just as well. But I went the old regular mild cheddar cheese way. We love cheddar cheese in my house. So that's what I did here, and then I followed up with adding the dome lid to help the cheese melt a little faster on those burgers. And so now I'm going to be removing my buns from the griddle. They are nice and toasted to my liking. Remember, this side was on a lower heat, just kind of like to get it toasted and kind of keep the buns warm. And I'm coming in with this special sauce that I made and layering the bottom buns with the sauce. And then I'm just going to go right forward and layer on the patties. The fun thing about these smash burgers is you can add whatever sort of toppings you want. I mean, from lettuce, tomatoes, pickles, onions, jalapenos, crunched onions if you want to. I mean, really the ball is in your court, and I suggest have as much fun as you like with your burgers. Look at how these burgers are looking. They're juicy. They have a nice char to them, just how I wanted them to be. And I decided to layer my, let's take a look at this first. Look at that. So good. I decided to layer my burgers with a fried egg. I thought I was done, and then I was like, you know what, it'd be fun. The griddle was still hot. Let's keep it going. So I took 2 eggs out of the fridge and I cracked them on my griddle. And I'll have all of the accessories that I'm using for my Blackstone linked in the comments below, so that if you want to purchase them, you can. But yeah, so I just cracked 2 eggs, got them, seasoned them with a little salt and pepper, and just did a fried hard egg. And then I actually topped my burgers with them. I had to get that Instagram shot right there, but it's just me flipping the egg. I mean, we've all seen someone make an egg before, right? But the griddle on the griddle is so much fun because it's less work, really. Just crack it, flip it, make sure it's done to your liking, and then I just topped my burgers with the fried egg. And that's how you make smash burgers on a griddle. The Blackstone griddle. I made these on my Blackstone griddle that I am loving so much. Once again, I just wanted to thank you all for tuning into this channel, and make sure you have your notifications on, because I'm going to be doing lots of recipes on this Blackstone griddle. I believe my next video is going to be a chicken kung pao, and I'm going to be making that on the Blackstone griddle. You want to be there. So I'll see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.